When reviewing large models, identifying formula consistencies can be time-consuming. That's where Formula Flow comes in, one of Macabacus's most widely used tools, helping visually identify formula inconsistencies. To use it, first select the entire worksheet. That can be done by pressing Ctrl-A twice. Note, this shortcut might not always work unless the active cell is outside the used range. Alternatively, click the corner button here. Then go to Visualize Formula Flow. Macabacus automatically detects the relevant range. Macabacus ensures that Formula Flow only applies to the cells that contain formulas, fitting into one of several visual patterns. Start with the date header row. Horizontal lines appear, showing that this row is consistent from left to right. Notice this cell here, 2022, doesn't show a pattern. That's because it's a hard-coded value that drives the rest of the formulas in the row. That quick check confirms the row's consistency. Now moving to the subtotal row, horizontal lines appear again, indicating formula consistency. To check this using native Excel, highlight the row, then press Ctrl// to show row differences. In this case, there's an error. This cell is flagged with a dark turquoise color, indicating an inconsistency. Looking closer, the formula isn't summing all the rows above it. A quick fix using AutoSum updates the formula, and the visualization updates instantly, showing the row is now consistent. Next, in the detailed calculation area, notice a cross-stitch pattern across these cells. This shows consistency both horizontally and vertically. Now look at the final column. It only shows vertical consistency. That indicates a potential issue across the row. To confirm with native Excel, use Ctrl// for row differences. Sure enough, this formula is pulling the wrong value. It should reference last year's variable cost. Once corrected, that full cross-stitch pattern appears again, showing consistency both across and down. To check columns in Excel, highlight them and press Ctrl/Shift/. If no differences are found, Excel will show a message. And visually, Macabacus confirms it too. Clean cross-stitch across the block. Here's one last thing. Formula Flow is great at catching rogue formulas that don't belong. Like this ref error, it wouldn't be seen unless the cell was active. Formula Flow highlights it immediately. A quick delete clears it from the model. And these highlights? They're not permanent. Just go back to Visualize, Clear Visualizations, and everything's removed from view. Formula Flow makes it fast and visual to audit large financial models. Visit Macabacus.com to learn more about why Macabacus is the leading productivity and brand compliance add-in for finance professionals and their firms.